Ooh, I like it. Folks, I hope you have your hot, spicing cup of coffee in front of you because today, ladies and gentlemen, we have this beautiful new, a compact face electric shaver by Manscaped. This is the Handyman. And if you guys are not familiar, obviously they have started with their body groomers, and now Manscaped has their beard hedger, which I just used a few days ago. Does a great job. And now we're going to be taking a look at their compact face shaver. You can actually clean it underneath the faucet. It's waterproof. And because of the compact design, you can take this on your trips, whether it be overnight or international, and you hit the refresh button and it'll take a 3-day stubble down to skin with dual action trim and foil blades. And before we do open this up, top link in the description box right below the video will be this exact same electric shaver where you guys not only can read more about it, but if you want 20% off and free shipping, top link in the description box below. 20% off and free shipping. Let's get this out. It's all right. We got ourselves a nice little manual on the top. Go ahead and give that a read over, and a nice compact shaver right here. As you can see from my hand and the thin, slim design of my thumbnail compared to it, you do have a USB braided cable. Very nice. Nice little high-end braided cable. And that's a USB to USB Type-C. Especially international traveling, a lot of hotels now have that USB where you don't even need your US power brick. You just plug in your USB to their power outlet, and then you don't need those nasty inverters. And when I mean nasty inverters, I just mean like, you know, all your US plugs, international plugs to the country you are traveling to. Very nice design. So they're designing everything just like the Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0 beard hedger, where it's kind of like a nice black gloss, and then you have this matte black down here with the LED light. And then on the back of it here, it has more, and then of course your gloss up here. Now that gloss, of course, is where you pull it off. So that would be your cover plate right there. Look at that design. Look at the design. Again, it's a thin, compact razor. I should have gave this to my dad. He's on an international trip right now to India. So here would be the difference from, you know, a cell phone. So again, very thin and compact design there. So we turn it on. Very nice. So definitely sounds powerful. Obviously, you wouldn't want to be using that in the cubicle next to somebody. It's not very loud. Let's listen in. But it sounds like, you know, a hair trimmer motor in there. So we got our LED light right here. And then, of course, when you are ready to clean it, this is waterproof. Just snap off the top, get all the nastiness out of there. This just clips right back on like that. Charging port on the bottom, USB Type-C, nothing else on the sides. Again, very simple design. One push button on, one push button off. Nice little cover that slips on and locks into play. And that is actually really nice where it is able to stand straight up like this as well. So you can have that displayed on your countertop. Let's go see how it works. Okay, we're gonna check it out here. Do the best to get the shot. So let's go ahead and look at a little bit of stubble there. Now I do have a beard, but I got stubble, about 2 or 3 days stubble right through here. Again, I just used the beard hedger. Does an absolutely fantastic job on my beard. I do have a video already up on the channel about that. So let's go ahead and click it on. Do have my microphone right there, but I'll probably lower the sound of the motor in post-production. And let me go ahead and well, I'm using the viewfinder for a camera. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, it's been a long time, honestly, since I've used an electric shaver. And I'm not feeling any pulling. I'm gonna switch over to this mirror so I can see a little bit better, but I'll still be on camera, ripping through. And what I like as well is the, let me cut that for a second, the back of the neck for us guys. If you have the curly Qs back there or the stubble, I've been straight shaving that for a very long time. Obviously, if you start straight shaving stuff, it will start growing a little bit more gnarlier or thicker. But this is very nice, especially if you're, you know, right before a Zoom meeting or anything, just tidy it up. Because that also gives a nice clean look to your neck. And, you know, you don't want a beard like this area right here. I'll be honest with you, before I cut my hair a few days ago and trimmed my beard, I was looking a little scruffy. And to be honest with you, I went to church on Sunday with a little bit more confidence in my step because I looked a little bit more presentable and cleaner. This is doing a really great job, especially at that stubble, then getting and then getting your sides right here and right there as well. What are we, like a couple minutes into it? Now obviously if you have a beard, you do want to be careful of your line, not to like go too far into it. But that's when you get the beard hedger, clean up that line, but right off the bat, smooth, clean. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. Doing a great job. All right here with you here. Now, I got a little bit on the counter, but I mean barely. It's almost like dust. But then here we go here, so it's not much, because obviously there wasn't too much to shave. Go ahead and knock it in my hand here. There we go, all my hairs here. And then again, you can run that underneath the sink. Waterproof, clean it that way. I just have the top off, watering all right here, and then I'll let that dry out. I mean, it's waterproof. It's not gonna hurt anything if you start using it right now. And to put that to the test, even when it is wet, still working. Not much to shave anymore, but still working. It's a nice little compact design. They did a great job with that. One thing to mention is that Manscaped's products are getting better and better. Obviously, they started with the lawnmower. Now they're at the lawnmower 4.0, but they're designers of their products. And Manscaped, if you guys are watching this, you have done a great job with your designers. Having everything just super simple, nothing bulky. I don't want to like have 3 pivoting heads and the thing is this big and the thing takes up like all the room in my overnight bag. That's a tiny little compact design. With that said, also I am very impressed with their beard hedger. Well folks, I like what I see. Once again, top link in the description box below will be your link where you guys can click on that and automatically your 20% off and free shipping will be applied. And you don't have to just get this. You can check out any of their other products with that link and get 20% off and free shipping. So check out that link below. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. And definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Once again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next one. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.